Yeah, you don't want to hear Metal on Metal yet. If I'm doing Metal on Metal, it means it's the end of the show, right? There, I gave away the climax. Oh, hell. No, I'd like to dedicate the next song to a good old friend who passed away. I'm talking about Lemmy Kilmister. You know the history, come on. You know Anvil and Motorhead go right back to the very early beginnings. And in actual fact, the very first show after we changed our name from Lips to Anvil was with Motorhead in Toronto, where we come from. How fucking cool, man. The most difficult part of that show was watching Lemmy watching me. I get on stage, I go, Lemmy, what you think of Anvil? He goes, well, you guys are pretty good, but you've got too many fucking hard parts. Hard parts? Is he talking about what's in my pants or in my music? He was talking about the music because a good 3 years later, he asked us to come out on tour all over England. How fucking cool is that? And that's when I found out what No Sleep Till Hammersmith really meant. We get a night off in Birmingham, and I'm thinking, fuck, this is cool, man. I'm gonna go fucking party with Lemmy. So I make my way up to his hotel room, and there he is, sitting with a 40-ounce bottle of vodka and a 60-ounce bottle of orange juice. And he starts mixing it, and he goes, Lips, this is called vodka. Vodka, okay, well, I start drinking the vodka, and I'm not a drinker. I don't even drink fucking beer. Within fucking 15, 20 minutes, I am completely pissed drunk. And Lemmy is sitting across the table fucking cracking up laughing, and then he goes, Lips, you're under the table. No kidding, I'm fucking licking the goddamn floor. He goes, I've got just the solution. And he pulls this little black leather pouch out of his jean jacket and a pocket knife, right? He takes the pocket knife, sticks it into the little leather pouch, and out comes this white powder. Then he takes the knife and sticks it under my nose and he goes, Sniff it, you cunt! Well, when with Lemmy, you do his Lemmy, and it's like, I thought I was doing a line of cocaine. No, pure 100% speed. And I'm sitting going, fuck, I couldn't stop talking. Something like now, but much, much more intense. And then I end up in this tangent going, Lemmy, you were the most awesome fucking guy in metal. You completely inspired the whole fucking metal world and turned them on to metal, man. You are the guy. And he goes, well, I'll tell you what, Lips. In 6 months, there'll be another bloke sitting across the table saying precisely the same thing to you. I thought that's got to be one of the nicest things anybody's ever said to me. And the thing is, he was absolutely right. Because 6 months later, I end up in Old Bridge, New Jersey, home of the Metal Militia. And I'm sitting at Metal Joe's house in the living room, and guess who walks through the door? Your good friends from this very city, the Metallica guys. This is no bullshit, man, I'm telling you. And they fucking come in and they fucking start freaking out, particularly Lars. Lars is going, oh my God, it's Rob Reiner, man. He's the best fucking drummer out there, man. Fuck! You guys are fucking inspired metal all over the world, man. You're the fucking shit, man. And I just looked at Lars and I go, you know what, Lars? In 6 fucking months, there's going to be someone saying the same thing to you. The moral of this story is, it's all about the music.